Understanding Key Account, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a business term that can be quite useful: key account. Whether you're in the business world or just curious about English terminology, this video will clarify what a key account is and why it's important. Let's get started. A key account refers to a customer or client that is of strategic importance to a company. This could be due to the volume of sales, the prestige of the client, or their influence in the market. Key accounts often receive special attention and resources from businesses, such as dedicated account managers or tailored services, due to their high value. Key accounts typically have a few defining characteristics. 1. High revenue generation. They often contribute significantly to a company's profits. 2. Strategic importance. Their partnership can influence market trends or company reputation. 3. Long-term relationships. Businesses usually aim to maintain long-term relationships with these clients. Managing key accounts involves personalized services, offering customized solutions to meet their specific needs, building strong relationships, regular communication and understanding their evolving requirements, strategic planning, aligning business strategies to support and grow these accounts. Understanding the term key account is crucial for anyone involved in business, especially in roles like sales, marketing, or account management. It's a term that signifies not just a client, but a valuable partner in business growth. Knowing this term helps in understanding business strategies and client management practices. That's all for today's lesson on key account. Remember, this term is more than just a label. It represents a significant relationship between a business and its most valuable clients. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more lessons, and happy learning!